Our son's wasting his life instead of getting a real job like a man, not wasting his time on these childish things.
Dad, I've been selling my art online. I know if I just keep going.
What's going on here?
Well, Christian here just finished this beautiful painting and he was showing me how he did it. Isn't it amazing?
Thanks, Mom. It actually took 14 hours to make. What do you think, Dad?
I think we already talked about this. Why are you wasting your time on this stupid art? It's never gonna make you any money. I mean, it's a silly little hobby. It's not a job.
Honey, relax. Just don't get so upset.
Don't tell me to relax. Our son is wasting his life instead of getting a job like a real man, not wasting his time on these childish things.
Dad, I've been selling my art online. I know if I just keep going.
I already told you, you were gonna help me with the landscaping business. And don't you ever speak up to me like that again. Do you hear me? You're gonna do something that actually makes you a living, and that's final. Now say it with me. Art is a waste of time.
No, I won't.
Say it!
Art is a waste of time. Dad, why don't you believe in me? I know if I just sell my art, I could make a living like that.
Oh yeah? Don't let those stupid ideas in your head. You're my son, and no son of mine is gonna be a bum. We're already late on rent, and you wanna waste your time with this? Go to your room and get ready for tomorrow. You're coming to work with me tomorrow at 4 a.m.
Why are you being so harsh? You know how much his art means to him.
This is to help him, Gabriella. We have so many bills to pay, and I don't work 80 hours a week for him to waste it on this stupid art dream. He's gonna have to man up if he wants to survive America. Yes, Mr. Bezos? I understand. No, I understand, Mr. Bezos. I'll have your money for you. I just need a little more time. Work has been slow, but I promise you, I'll have your money for you. No, please, don't kick us out. I have a family. We can't be out on the street. Just give me one more week, and I will make sure you have your money.
Is everything okay, Dad?
No, everything is not okay. We have to come up with $900 for rent by next Friday. We just paid for your mother's surgery and maintenance on the truck. I don't know how we're going to do this.
It's okay, Dad. We'll figure it out. We always do.
Maybe if you weren't spending so much time on your worthless art, we wouldn't be in this situation.
That night, Christian decided to stay up all night after his parents went to bed so he could figure out a plan to make money for rent. He posted all of his art for sale online and reached out to potential customers just to see if they'd buy it. He even went door to door. The plan started working. He was making money from his art and saving it up so he could prove to his dad that his dream of being an artist wasn't just a silly idea.
Mr. Bezos.
Well, do you have my money?
Well, see, something happened and I wasn't able to get the money yet.
Wait, don't tell me after all this time you still don't have my rent money. You see, that's the problem with you people. You come to my country and you make up excuses as to why you can't contribute to society.
No, I promise, I've been trying. Work is just slow right now.
Work isn't slow. You're just being lazy. You know what? I'm done with your family of leeches. Get out of my apartment!
No, please, just give me a few more days. I promise I'll have it for you.
Here you go. That's $900 rent. Sorry it's late, but I promise that it'll never happen again, Mr. Bezos.
I don't know what little scam you rats are running around here, but if I find out it's anything illegal, I'm kicking you out. Your son saved you this time, but if it happens again, you'll be in the streets. Understood?
I understand, sir. It won't happen again. Son, where did you come up with the money?
I've been selling my art online and door to door. I know you said that my dream of becoming an artist isn't a good idea, but I truly believe I can make that a real job for myself.
I'm so sorry, Christian. I can't believe I doubted you. I know we don't always see eye to eye, but I should have supported your dream. You've proven to me that if you have something you love, you'll always find a way to make a living, no matter what.
Don't worry, Dad. I know sometimes it's hard to understand other people's passions, but I promise you to work as hard as you do.
Thank you, son. I love you. Thank you for showing your old man how he was wrong. I'm proud of you. I'm glad we understand each other better. And from now on, I will always support your dreams. I love you, son.
I love you too, Dad.
Christian was able to continue making a living off of his art and help his family pay the bills. His parents continued to encourage him and support his dream to become an artist. Christian eventually got a full scholarship into the best art school in the country to pursue his dream as a full-time artist.
It's important to always support your family's dreams, even if you don't understand them. In the end, we all just want to lift each other up and be happy with what we're doing. So don't forget to encourage the people around you to chase their dreams.